In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change FPS on iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to manage the FPS, or rather the refresh rate, of your screen. You will be able to choose between fixing it at 60 if you prefer lower frame rates, or go up to 120 if you like those higher refresh rates. So in order to control this, go into the settings on your device, and inside of the settings, access the accessibility category. So go into settings and then accessibility. Inside of accessibility, you will have plenty of options, and the category that you are looking for is going to be motion. So right here at the top. Immediately upon heading into motion, if you look all the way at the bottom, you will find the only option related to controlling the frame rate or refresh rate on your device. So they call it frame rate, but essentially it is same thing as refresh rate, or how some people like to call it, FPS. So this will control how often your screen refreshes or updates. So basically, if this option is on, it is going to limit the screen to 60 Hz. This is good if you prefer lower refresh rates. A lot of people can get eye discomfort if the screen is updating too much. So by enabling this, you will lower the refresh rate and you can improve eye comfort possibly. If this option is toggled off, which should be the default, then this will make so the screen updates as needed, and it can go to upwards of 120 Hz. So if it notices that you are doing something demanding like playing a game, something intensive, it is going to bump up the refresh rate. If it notices that you are just doing day-to-day browsing and something that is not as intensive, then it will lower the refresh rate. This is done in order to save battery. I hope I was able to help you on how to change FPS on iPhone 13 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.